Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best drone car is probably one of the most exciting and innovative gadgets to hit the market in years, seamlessly blending the thrill of aerial exploration with the grounded fun of remote-controlled vehicles, offering a unique dual-mode experience that promises to redefine playtime and open up new possibilities for both indoor and outdoor adventures, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Introducing the Holy Stone HS210, a mini drone designed for effortless fun. It's incredibly easy to get started, with features like auto-hovering and simple controls perfect for beginners. This drone offers multiple speed settings, allowing pilots of all skill levels to enjoy a customized flying experience. You can even race multiple drones together thanks to its advanced remote control technology. Keep the adventure going with 3 included batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. Plus, a low battery alert ensures you won't be caught off guard. Your safety is paramount. This micro-drone features propeller guards to protect users and an emergency stop function for immediate, safe landings. Its compact, mini size makes it easy to take anywhere for fun. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. To ensure a smooth experience when flying multiple drones, power on and pair each one with its remote individually. This prevents any interference and guarantees optimal performance. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to get airborne with a simple toss. Its auto-hovering capability makes it stable for beginners, and the 3D flips add a fun, dynamic element. If you're looking for a drone that's simple to operate and provides immediate fun for kids or anyone new to flying, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It comes with 3 batteries and some spares, so plenty of flying time. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. It's very easy to control, even my 4-year-old son was able to fly it. Number 4. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Experience more excitement than ever before with features like toss to launch, circle fly, and thrilling 3D flips. It's designed to be loved by kids of all skill levels. Our user-friendly design includes altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode, making flight intuitive for beginners. Enjoy a worry-free flying experience. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time. Never let a dead battery interrupt your fun, and a low battery alarm prevents any accidental loss. Its mini and portable design makes it perfect for parties, school, or even long journeys. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. The full propeller protection guards ensure safety for both the pilot and the drone. Enjoy peace of mind while you play. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, power on and pair each drone and its remote control separately. This ensures a smooth experience for everyone. What we like. With user-friendly features like altitude hold and headless mode, this drone offers a carefree flying experience. The inclusion of 3 batteries means you get significantly extended flight time. If you prioritize ease of use and want to maximize your time in the air without constant recharging, this drone is ideal for you. What people say. It's very easy to control, even my 4-year-old son was able to fly it. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. Comes with 3 batteries and some spares, so plenty of flying time. Number 3. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun, featuring one-click takeoff and landing. Its exciting 3D flips add an extra layer of thrill to every flight, making it perfect for kids. Enjoy a carefree flying experience thanks to altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode, which simplifies directional control. It's ideal for beginners and young pilots. With 3 adjustable speed modes, from low to high, it offers a tailored flying experience for kids of all skill levels. They can choose the speed that best suits their abilities. Safety is paramount with propeller guards protecting little fingers and an emergency stop function for immediate landing. This design minimizes the risk of accidents or damage. Its incredibly compact and foldable design fits easily into your pocket or bag. Take it anywhere for indoor or outdoor fun, making it a fantastic gift for any occasion. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty on the unit and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction and feedback are important to us as we continuously improve. What we like. This drone is designed for ultimate portability, folding neatly into its controller for easy transport. Its one-click takeoff and landing functions make it exceptionally easy to fly, even for absolute beginners. If you need a drone that you can take anywhere and operate with minimal fuss, this compact flyer is perfect for on-the-go adventures. What people say. It has removable blade guards, charges easily, and stores in its controller when not in use. Comes with an extra set of blades, screwdriver, blade removal tool. Having it fold nicely in the controller is a bonus, protecting it from accidental breaking from stepping on when left on the bedroom floor. It's small, very responsive, and very easy to use. We love how the drone fits right in the controller, it keeps it safe. Number 2. DEERC DE36W RC Monster Truck. See the world from a whole new perspective with its 1080p HD camera. Capture clear photos and videos directly to your phone, and adjust the angle to widen your view. It's perfect for sharing those memorable moments with loved ones. You have 2 ways to take control. Use the 2.4 GHz remote for long-range racing with friends, or connect to the mobile app via Wi-Fi for convenient control. This allows you to drive and share your adventures from anywhere. Get ready for an extended adventure. With 2 included batteries, you can enjoy up to 60 minutes of playtime on a single charge. Experience exciting racing speeds of up to 20 km/h thanks to its powerful dual motors. This vehicle is designed to conquer any challenge. Featuring advanced anti-skid tires, shock absorbers, and a robust anti-collision beam, it's built to withstand unexpected drops and rough surfaces. Its realistic 1/16 scale design ensures durability and a longer lifespan. With its strong body and durable tires, this remote-controlled crawler can handle various terrains like roads, sand, and mud. It's ideal for any occasion, indoors or out, making it a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. What we like. Experience the thrill of off-road driving with this high-speed monster truck, complete with a 1080p FPV camera for an immersive view. With 2 batteries providing up to 60 minutes of playtime, you can enjoy extended racing sessions. If you're looking for a robust RC vehicle that offers both speed and a unique visual perspective for exciting outdoor adventures, this truck is the one. What people say. This RC car is a really fun and impressive toy, super fast and comes with a built-in camera, which adds a great touch. The car itself is sturdy and has a cool design. The interior has seats and a steering wheel. The tires are actual squishy rubber and the car's suspension actually works. The company stated it was an issue with the app and that the app had been updated. I can confirm for iOS the app appears to be working properly and does not ask for microphone access. Also, I stated in my original review I was having issues connecting to the camera. Before writing this update I have used the new camera repeatedly by turning off and on connecting and disconnecting from the Wi-Fi multiple times with the camera working properly each time. I was pleasantly surprised of the video quality of the camera. I was expecting the video to be very grainy, but very surprised how good the video quality actually was. Number 1. Velcase VGO 1080p HD Foldable Drone. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, this drone captures breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Connect via the app to view real-time FPV footage and explore distant landscapes. With features like optical flow positioning and altitude hold, it's perfect for beginners. Multiple flight modes and speed settings offer a delightful experience for all skill levels. Its foldable design makes it compact and portable for outdoor adventures. The package includes a carrying case and all necessary accessories, so you can fly right out of the box. Enjoy up to 26 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. This ensures you have plenty of time to capture all your memorable moments from the sky. Powerful motors with built-in overcurrent protection ensure safe and reliable operation. Propeller guards are also included for added safety during your flights. This mini drone with a camera makes a cool and creative gift. It offers an enjoyable flying experience and helps capture high-quality shots for friends and family. What we like. This drone boasts a 1080p HD camera and advanced features like optical flow positioning for stable flight, making it a great tool for capturing aerial footage. It comes as a complete kit with a carrying case and extra batteries for extended flight. If you're an adult beginner looking for a drone that can take high-quality photos and videos with ease, this feature-rich option is an excellent starting point. What people say. The app is super fun, the design looks similar to something from a spy movie, the settings are easy to understand and it's not super bright and distracting like other apps. I really like the case, everything has its place and it's easy to know what goes where. It also comes with 2 batteries, so you have a backup battery in case you use one up. The 1080p HD camera captures super clear and vibrant footage even when it's up high, the detail is crisp. Setup was quick and beginner friendly, and that one-key takeoff landing feature. Total game changer for someone like me who's not exactly a drone expert. The drone is fast and super responsive, but still very easy to control. Even for someone new to drones, the learning curve was minimal. My son was zipping it around the backyard within minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.